Today, I'll walk you through how to find missing Flex container and grid widget, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to locate these essential components in your design toolkit so you can enhance your layout capabilities. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the link provided in the description below. This dashboard is your command center where all the magic begins. Next, look for the editor and click on Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Elementor experience. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Now click on Features. This tab contains all the options you'll need to enable or disable specific functionalities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these settings. After that, click on the Container option. This is crucial for ensuring that your Flex containers are set up correctly. You might notice some toggles here that can help you manage your layout. Next, make sure to click on Active. This step is essential to ensure that your settings are applied and that the features you need are enabled. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is like sealing the deal. Without saving, your adjustments won't take effect. Once that's done, click on Home. This will bring you back to the main area of your dashboard where you can start fresh. Now click on Dashboard to get back to your main workspace. This is where you can see all your projects and settings at a glance. Next, go to the Elementor editor and create a new page. This is where you'll begin to implement the Flex containers and grid widgets you've just activated. Scroll down and click on Container. This will allow you to add a new container to your page layout. Think of this as the frame for your artwork. Finally, click on Container Layout. This is where you can adjust the properties of your container, ensuring it fits perfectly into your design. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to find your missing Flex container and grid widget. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.